Good morning. I'm back in the van. It's the middle of January, chilly morning. Done a few bits over the past few weeks, but not too much. I'll spin the camera around, show you what I've done, and then show you what I'm going to do. So I've had a kind of a rethink on the window situation. So now I've figured out exactly what's going to happen with the bed and how it's going to work. We're going to put 2 bunk windows on each side. So I've just pulled off the sound deadening where that's going to go. I'm going to chop out this rib and then cut a hole in the side of the van and fit a window. And then we'll do exactly the same on the other side. Apart from that, not too much going on. So we're going to just carefully angle grind out these ribs. Ideally I could do with putting some protection round, but it's not going to stop everything, so I'll just hoover it all up and after I'm done. Okay, that's that bit of strength and beam cut out, and I didn't go through the outer skin, which is a bonus. So now the brace has been cut out. We put the template against the window. Now, because there's no straight lines in this van, the only real straight line that we can rely on is the floor. So we've measured up from the floor to get our point for the bottom of the window. Made sure that's square. Now you can see it looks, you know, from the way the top of the van slopes down, it doesn't look square at all, but it is. So we've taped the template to the side of the van, and put 2 holes through. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, put it onto the outside of the van and take some measurements to make sure it looks square. Again, a few millimeters out isn't going to make a whole lot of difference, but rather it looks square from the outside than be totally square from the inside. Okay, let's do that. Right, the bunk windows are in. So there's the passenger side and the driver's side.